We welcome to 31st International Conference on Cardiology and Cardiovascular Diseases. Date July 31st to August 1st, 2023. Venue Madrid, Spain. Keynote speaker: Burton M.A. Country USA Research Interest, Physiology Vagal Maneuvers Pharmacology Medicine. Chuck Kit Wong Country Hong Kong Research Interest, Coronary Artery Disease. Pauline K.F. Young Country Canada Research Interest, Pharmacokinetics, Metabolism and Biomarker Assessment or Cardiovascular and Anti-Cancer Drugs. Abstract submission deadline: the 20th of March 2023. Early bird deadline: the 15th of March 2023. Book your slot now.